Imed.ULisboa is the resident research institute of the Faculty of Pharmacy of Universidade de Lisboa. It resulted from the merging of the existing small research units funded by the FCT, the Foundation for Science and Technology, which were addressing in an independent way multiple aspects of drug development. With the inauguration of the Center of Medicines and Health, which is a building that has been granted by POR 2020, we are now physically allocating teaching in a floor, research in the multiple floors of this building, and therefore we enable students to be familiar and integrated in research activities from the very early moments they arrive to the faculty.
Our strategy for the next 5 years is to consolidate a multidisciplinary approach with chemistry, biology, in silico, and pharmaceutical sciences to investigate new medicines and health sciences. To achieve this goal, we are organized into 3 hubs: the scientific, the technological, and the translational hub. Incorporated in these hubs, we have 30 different laboratories, 133 researchers, and 123 PhD students. All of these investigators were able to generate in the last 5 years 27.7 million euros, which is 45% more than the last evaluation, and also 80% more of international funding. All of these researchers were also able to publish 986 papers, which reflect our commitment that no breakthrough is too small.
The chemical biology group is focused on designing new chemistries to study and interfere in biological processes associated with diseases. And imed has been a fantastic place to develop our science because it provides the multidisciplinary environment which helps us to collaborate with biology groups, pharmacology, pharmaceutical, technology. And with that we have been able to develop new compounds and new molecules that were used to treat several diseases, namely in the areas of oncology and neurodegenerative diseases. Also, imed has provided us with excellent infrastructures, namely in terms of equipment, mass spectrometry, which has really boosted our capacity to study the chemistries that we are currently developing.
With my team, we develop artificial intelligence tools to accelerate the chemical sciences, broadly defined, be it nanotechnology, chemical biology, medicinal chemistry, or even synthetic chemistry. And imed has been very instrumental for our research program, not only because of the gifted students that we have access to, but I would say mostly because of the numerous collaborations that we were able to establish both inside and outside of imed, in academia, or even with the industry. Moving forward, we anticipate keep applying the same active learning and deep learning tools that we have been developing thus far, validating those tools to prototype the next generation of cancer therapeutics.
Our research focuses in the interplay between the central nervous system and peripheral inflammation that may justify the emergence and progression of neurodegenerative diseases. Within imed collaborative atmosphere, we have been addressing nerve and immune cell interplay and developing probes to image crucial aspects of neurodegeneration. We are now using 3D brain spheres derived from human pluripotent stem cells to study human-specific disease mechanisms and screen new therapies to fulfill patients' unmet needs.
Our group is focused on the development of nanotechnology-based systems to activate immune cells against different types of cancer. We designed these nanosystems based on deciphering the mechanisms and the key players involved in tumor immune evasion and cancer progression.
Our research group seeks to develop microphysiological systems that recapitulate the complex in vivo condition. For that, we resort to 3D organoid models, to organ-on-a-chip technology, and to stem cell technology.
Our lab focuses on developing sustainable, personalized and scalable pharmaceutical products, including medicines and cosmetics. Our research group has already reached patients by providing customized medicines at hospital level. Through a multidisciplinary collaboration within imed, and the Portuguese industry and hospitals. Now we are leading the implementation of 3D printing technology using a patient-centric approach.
The Public Health and Medicines Use Lab is included in the Translational Hub. So we are focused mainly on ensuring that the technologies and the medications produced by our colleagues reach the populations and also the healthcare professionals in the settings that we work with, so pharmacies, hospitals. Also we work with vulnerable groups such as people deprived of liberty and also those experiencing homelessness. And this is really important because we need materials that otherwise we wouldn't have access to.